Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Steam VR games not launching and how you can fix, right? Basically, even though if it is a not VR game, if it is any other game, then you can just apply these tricks and it will be solved, right? So right now it's very easy to do it. For example, you have to, on the top left, you will see a lot of option, right? Just take your mouse here. Once you take your mouse here, click on this, you will get a setting option here. Now just go to the setting, right? And once you are into the setting, first of all you have to just go to the download, right? Once you go to the download, you can just change your region, right? Once you change your region, for example, let's say I just take any European country here and make sure you restart now. And if the problem is solved, then it's great, right? But if it's not, then just go to the storage and this will 100% fix your problem. So make sure wherever your game has been stored, right? For example, it is in the new volume D or whatever storage you have over your laptop or PC, it will show it here, right? For example, I select this and in the left side, right, in the three dots, if I click, then I will get an option which is called repair library, right? And then I have to click on the yes. And once I do it, it will start repairing, right? And it is done. Do it the same thing if the wherever your game has been stored. And once you're done, you can just restart your game and it will work perfectly fine, right? So this is the only way, and this works 100% every time I do, and this works. I hope you found this video very useful. If you did, subscribe.